Cough. Cough.
Bronchiolitis, which we'll talk about next. If you hear the barky cough, that generally is not a problem. The more problematic feature of croup is what's called
that go from stuff like a dry cough and a fever all the way out to fatal viral pneumonia. And that
Anywhere between 60 and 200 people died because the makers of the cough syrup mistakenly ordered a wrongly labeled bottle. And again, reads another cure-all ad for his cough syrup in that Republican issue. Number 7. Moses Dame's Wine of the Woods. In case just hearing the
dirty look, the raised eyebrow, the cough. When people went on too long or lost the crowd, they didn't get banned.
Not vaccinated against certain diseases, like measles or whooping cough, are not only endangering themselves, but also endangering the vaccinated majority.
A coughing illness. Basically, the aim is to protect the cough, and it's also not useful to wear the same surgical mask all day. It becomes
Cough on me, why don't you?
Aw. Can you share with me your secret to good parenting?
I would say you just